Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and we have a train again. Looks to be engine 400. As you guys probably know, the 400 and 1221 was vandalized while parked up by Wasaki. They did get, sounds like they got the horns stolen off of them and the number boards off 1221, but according to reports, they did get their stuff. The railroad did get their stuff back. Look at these things rocking. See the number board still missing. Over here. That's a smart siding. Look at that rock right there. Pretty good dip in the track right there. I was actually on my way to work and I saw the light coming and I was like, well, I haven't videoed a train in a few weeks now, so hit thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, comment down below.